Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm going to show you how to season or cure a stone grinder. I bought this small stone grinder locally here in Kerala. In Malayalam we call this stone grinder as Ammikalle. So today I'm going to show you how to season or cure this. As you can see now there are dirt and dust particle in the stone grinder, especially in the grooves. I have placed the Ammikalle on top of an old cotton cloth so that my work surface does not get dirty. This is some rice which I have soaked for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm going to add some rice onto the Ammikalle, sprinkle some water, and I'm going to make the rice into a paste. And make sure that you spread out the rice paste on all the corners of the stone grinder. Adding in some more soaked rice. And now you can see that the rice paste has changed color. So this is the residued sand, dirt and dust particles. And I'm spreading the rice paste all over the roller. And I'm just rubbing the rice paste all over the stone grinder. And I'm again grinding it. In between, roll the roller so that all the sides of the roller is coated with the rice paste. And now I'm going to wash and rinse this thoroughly. So I'll wash and rinse it under running water and come back. Okay, now I have washed and rinsed it thoroughly. I did not use any soap. I just rinsed it under running water. The roller and the stone is nicely washed. Again, I'm going to add in some more soaked rice along with some water. Just sprinkle some water so that it helps the rice to grind to a fine paste. You can see that the color of the rice has retained. It has not become dark like before. It is retaining the white color. The idea is to remove all the dirt and sand and dust particles from the small grooves in the stone grinder. And now I'm going to wash and rinse it under running water. I have again washed and rinsed it a couple of times. I did not use any soap. I just rinsed it under running water, and I'm going to grind the soaked rice one last time and grind. I'm rubbing the rice paste on the roller and grinding it a couple of times, and I'm going to rinse it again under running water. Okay, now it's rinsed thoroughly, and lastly I'm going to add in some salt crystals. This is pink Himalayan salt crystal. You can use any salt crystal of your choice. With the roller, I'm first crushing the salt and then I'm grinding it. Now turn the roller and then grind it. The salt will help to remove the last tiny bit of dirt, sand or dust particles in the grooves of the stone. Also, the salt will help to sharpen the roller and the stone grinder. Whenever you feel the need to sharpen it a bit, you can grind it with salt crystals. I'm rubbing the salt all over the roller, and I'm making sure that the salt is spread all over the stone grinder. You can see that the color has changed slightly. The third time when the rice paste was ground, the color has not changed this much. After grinding it with only salt, you can see that the color has changed a little. So this is the last tiny bit of dirt, sand and dust particle in the grooves of the stone grinder. Just rub it nicely with your hand, and now you can wash and rinse it thoroughly once more, and the stone grinder will be ready to use. And now my stone grinder is ready to use. You can make chutneys or crush black pepper or anything on this stone grinder, which in Malayalam we call as ammikalle. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.